Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to share your Strava profile link. So if you also want to share your Strava profile link, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open your Strava application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you want to share your profile, what you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top right corner you'll be able to see three icons over here. They are the icons for profile, search and settings. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several informations about your profile. Right below your name and icon you'll be able to see option for following, followers, share icon and edit icon. All you have to do is tap on the share icon. Now you'll be able to share your profile via various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Gmail, Messenger, Snapchat, etc. Scroll down. Here you'll also find the option for copy to clipboard. All you have to do is tap on it. You can see over here your profile link is copied. Now you can provide this profile link to anyone to whom you want to share your profile, and then you'll be able to share your Strava profile link. So that is how you share your Strava profile link. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.